for little people.
Oh, Dad is watching.
Oh, get away, get away,
Lost.
get away.
Woo! All done. All right, all done. Let's go. Nice clean car. Nice clean car, makes everything easier. It was all dusty. They graded the road yesterday, so it made it really dirty. So nice clean car. Well, good morning, guys. We're heading out down for a picnic a little bit further out of town, and we've had to cross over this bridge. What they did here was they dammed the Ob River, which is one of the biggest rivers in Russia, and they've created a big hydroelectric power facility here, which creates a lot of the power that Novosibirsk city uses and the surrounding areas. But you can see also in the background what it's done is created this massive lake, and it's a freshwater lake. They actually call it the Ob Sea or Obskaya Morya in Russian. And what it does is it creates a lot of so there's a lot of boating here, there's a lot of beaches, all sorts of recreation areas that they build off around the outskirts of the sea. It's like hundreds of kilometers long or 100 miles long, and it's got its own ecosystem. So in the winter time there'll be ice fishing here. There'll be a lot of times you'll see them kite surfing here. You'll see fishing's very popular here, a lot of fish here. But the actual hydro plant is, as you can see right behind me, is right there, and then it drops down and there's the rest of the river over there. So the lake or the sea has created a whole lot of recreation opportunities. Obviously, instead of just a river, you now have got this massive body of water, which, you know, they have housing subdivisions built on. They've got one of the subdivisions that has little canals built into it, and it's really a really nice feature for the area of Novosibirsk and the surrounding towns and villages around it. The river itself was very big before, but now with the actual hydro dam that they've built, it's just created an inland sea. It's got its whole own little ecosystem, its whole own little lifestyle opportunities that it's created. So I showed you the hydro dam where they generate a lot of the power thing, but obviously a part of that, ships still need to come up and down this river. You know, in Russia, ship transport or boat transport has always been a big part of how they move bulk amounts of goods throughout a lot of the country. So they've got this other lock system. it's all fenced off, so you can't obviously access it from the outside. But they've got, there's a bridge going over, and there's all these locks where they obviously change the water levels up and down, bring the boats up and down. You can see down there the canal they've built for the boats to be able to enter back into the main river section. Right next to the lock, they've got this old school style exercise area. I don't think it receives a lot of love anymore, but it's pretty old school cool, and you can do all sorts of things, practice your weights. It's a lovely park area. They've got lots of trees here. It's not a bad spot for a picnic. You can see the lock, buildings in the background, tires for exercising, hanging gym. Alright. Get high up in your shoulders.
She won't be able to walk the rest of the day, but that's alright.
Ow.
Do this one.
Alright, can't do any bench presses, but we can do bicep curls.
You could do
Squats, okay, let's try squats. Hi-ya! For little people. Oh, Dad, this one.
Oh, get away, get away,
What?
get away.
Woo!
Abandoned ship.
Abandoned ship, alright. Oh, yo.
Oh, I'm gonna have to put
Oh, sustained an injury on the old school cool weightlifting set. You gotta be careful, but hey, that makes you tough. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this little discovery that we found here with the lock. We've driven over this lake and this this dam on the Obska Moria, or the Ob Sea, many times. We actually have to go over this when we go down to the Altai region. But it was nice just to stop in and look a bit more closely at all the infrastructure that's here, and it's really interesting to look at it. If you like what you see, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.